Hi folks, welcome to Guaranty. My name is Dib, and today we're going to show you this 2017 Cedar Creek. It's very popular model, very kind of fancy, high class. I like the floor plans also in it. As you can see as we're walking through, this is the frameless windows, which allows you to have, some airflow and during rainy days. Outside speakers, those are waterproof. Big huge basement down here. As you can see, I like that it's finished, and there you reel down there for your power. You can see all the aluminum, framing and what have you. Really nice solid unit. Let's walk inside and show you a couple of things. As you can see, this is a very welcoming coach. Lots of counter space in this coach. People do appreciate that. Cabinets all over, real wood in this, kind of deep ones. Look at that. Very nice. There you go, kind of hutch kind of effect. More cabinets, more storage. Can't have enough. Nice window right there. I like that touch. Double door fridge, with a nice double door freezer. If you notice that it's shorter kinda, so you can reach. Some of them like you have to really stretch to get to the freezer. I like this height right here. As we walk through the coach, we got more in a pantry. I like this storage system right here. Makes it very handy. Nice, really big microwave. That's big touch. Some of them are smaller. I like this size where you don't have to worry about portioning, what have you. Stove oven, really nice. Maybe you can put a pizza in there. A little counter space also that comes in handy. As we walk through the coach, of course, you have the flat screen TV. Really nice. Across from it, you're gonna have two nice fancy chairs. Those are looking good right there. So this way you can be watching the TV without looking all over the place to find it. Here you go, the fireplace. That gives you a nice ambiance. Again, it's a wide body, so you're gonna have a full-size hide-a-bed in here. As we go again, these chairs really fancy. I hope give it a closer shot. Nice. And then you have your dinette, really nice touches with, if you like the color scheme, this is pretty cool. As we go into the bedroom, we pass by the bathroom, and can't help it but see two sinks. Really, really fancy. That gives it like a, high class, coach. Nice cabinets, and over here, and we have an enclosed shower with a seat, so you can sit down and what have you. But pretty nice with a dome light up there. LED lights are throughout this coach. Let's go in the bedroom and figure out if we can go backwards. So yeah, walk through bedroom, walk around bed. Big nice feature. People love that. Nice closet, almost a walk-in closet. Look at that. And there is also in there the other side, if you can see this, your washer and dryer hookup. But this is a really nice closet. I can fit in here myself. Nice shelving right here also with this window, God forbid. And then you have another flat screen TV. Look at this. The intake is really bigger than usual, so the airflow very strong in this coach. Let's go outside and show you more stuff. Yeah, I mean, you can't help it but to notice the sturdy steps. These the newest and the best right now. Very strong. I mean, they're none of the, up maybe, and you have to hold on to the handle all the time. Nice slide out right here, and there is how these windows work. So you'll see if it's raining, you'll be dry in there. Frameless windows. This is a really nice coach. Got all the features possible. You got a ladder up here. That means you can go up there, check on the roof, see what's going on, debris, what have you. I don't recommend walking on it, but it's sturdy enough, it will take you anybody's weight. But as we go, this is the other slide out, and that's where our kitchen was in here. Big 10-gallon water heater, and then there is your hub. This is where everything happens. In one station, one spot. You don't have to fiddle, look around. You're good to go right here. Nice finished basement again. Over here you can see the auto leveling, 6-point leveling on it, which is a push button, and you're good to go. Again, my friends, give me a call if you have any questions. My name is Dib, 541-515-1237.